you could have a wagon to help haul all your camping gear around your site, your cooler, your camping chairs, fishing gear, whatever you may need without having to actually pull all that weight yourself. I didn't even know these type of wagons exist, but what I'm going to show you today is the DYU CampX Foldable Electric Wagon. This has all-terrain tires and claims that it will carry 772 pounds. And today I'm going to show you how it works, how you fold it down, unfold it, how compact it really is, and what kind of stuff it can carry, and just as importantly, what type of terrain it works best in. Hey friends, welcome back to the RV Optimizer channel. And if you follow my videos, you know there's a couple main things we try to accomplish on this channel. One, RV destinations. We show you a lot of different places we go. We review the parks. We do Paws Across America events where we try to get dogs adopted at some of the locations we create these events at. And the thing I really enjoy is looking for some of the coolest camping gear, some of the things that could really help optimize your camping experience. And today, we're going to check out something that I didn't even know this type of product existed, but we're going to see, is it a good option for you RV owners and or campers to take along on your next camp adventure? So I will say DYU did send me this wagon to check out and review for you guys, but they did not tell me what to say. I'm going to show you what it's like, things I like about it, and the heart of the matter is, will it work for you? One of the first things RV owners need to consider is storage space. It really doesn't matter how useful the product is if it takes up too much storage. So the CampX uses a four-way folding design when folding it. It measures approximately 19 inches by 11 inches by 30. So overall, that should make it small enough to fit in most RV storage compartments or SUVs. So let's show you how this folds down real quick. Ride in it. We'll put this in. So the trick here is aligning these with these. Push that in. Then you have this little guy you pinch. Removing this flap allows you to check your battery strength as well, and also this is where you would charge it. They provide you a nice little charger. It has a green or red light that would show up here once you plug it in that would show you this is being charged or it is charged. And this will show you the same when you plug it in here. This is your power. Hold that down for a second. And the light will come on. And then that will allow us to come up here, pull the pin. This would come up to now the mode that you could operate it in from sitting in it, or pull the pin one more time. Now this allows us to now make it towable. And what it has is a follow me mode. So when I turn this on and I hit the little accelerator right here, it will now pull itself wherever we're going to go. So DYU claims this will hold over 770 pounds. Now, no way am I putting that much in it, but I am going to put a cooler in it, which is something I think we would all use on camping. I'm going to load a couple camping chairs. I'm going to load a backpack of gear that we have here. And I can still put the seat on if I want to go here. So the idea here is, instead of making multiple trips around the RV park or around the event that you're at and pulling a heavy wagon, you can load this thing up and use the electric motors to do the work for you. So let's go check it out and see how it operates on multiple terrain. thing that they did is they added an emergency brake. So when you're sitting on this, your feet would go here and you would be able to control it from up here. And this is very handy. I've noticed this already. You can push that down, it locks, and now the emergency brake's on. So when you're sitting here parked with a load, especially on a slope, you don't have to worry about it going away from you. And then what you do is you just hit it with your back foot to unlock the emergency brake. So as you could see before, it has a removable 36 volt, 8 amp lithium ion battery that DUI says the battery takes about 3 hours to recharge. It is removable, and so when you fold things up and store it in your RV, you can actually store the battery inside or someplace different. The CampX has multiple speed settings, low to high on there. Top speed, they say, is approximately 7.5 miles an hour. But I have found that on flat surfaces, even with a pretty heavy payload, I had myself, Amy in it, and gear, and we got up to about 11 miles an hour. So first impressions, the electric assist or the follow me mode, as you're allowing it to pull the weight where you go, I found most helpful. Yeah, it's kind of cool to be able to ride in it. And I think in the right situation, especially on pavement, that works out really well. I found that because the rear wheels are the ones that are powered, that if you're sitting in it, the front can dive into loose gravel or sand, things like that, and really slow you down. But you know, at the end of the day, will it allow me to carry a lot of weight and not have to pull it or carry it myself? Yes, it'll do that. My final verdict on the DYU CampX wagon. Is it worth it? I think that all comes down to you and how you plan to use it. I found the looser the substance you're driving it on, the less likely you're going to be able to ride on it and just use the follow me mode. And then that's totally okay. I think the biggest limitation is that it only has rear wheel drive and not the front. So if you have kids, cargo, pets, coolers, things of that nature, I think it could be a great assistance for you, especially if you have a tough time getting around the campsite. You just being able to ride it and throw in some gear in the back could be all what you need to make it worthwhile for you. So let me know in the comments, would you use an electric wagon like this? Be helpful for you as you plan your next trips out and about. I'm gonna put the link to the site where you guys can check out more of the details to see if this is something that would make sense on one of your future camping trips. So I love bringing new things to you guys. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.